Hi everybody. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to use Proctorio in your online courses without using the AI feature. So the very first thing that we need to do is make sure that we're using the Google Chrome browser. If you're not, go ahead and go download it now. If you don't know where to get it, it's not a big deal. You can actually go to getproctorio.com and it will walk you through a short wizard on how to install the Proctorio plugin into your Google Chrome browser. So you're going to need the browser and then the Google Chrome plugin for Proctorio. You can see right here, I'm already using Google Chrome, so it tells me that I'm completed on this first step. If not, there would be a download link. The next step is to install the Google Chrome Proctorio extension. So what it's going to do is it's going to bring it up. Next thing I can do is add it to Chrome by clicking the button, click Add Extension, and then I'll wait for a few moments, and then it's going to go ahead and install. I can just dismiss this next window right here. So in this next step, we're going to establish a connection between the Proctorio plugin and your course. So the first step in doing that is to go to the lessons area. So we can do that by clicking on the lessons link in the left-hand navigation of your course. Next, once we're inside the lessons area, all we have to do is come up to Tools, and we're going to go down until we see Secure Exam Proctor, and we're going to click on this area. And then this is very crucial. You want to go ahead and type it back in, case sensitive, capital letter for each word. Once you have done so, make sure to scroll down and make sure that permit users to view this content is checked yes. The rest can be default, and then we will click Submit. Now once we do so, you should see an icon appear right here that says Secure Exam Proctor. Don't worry, your students won't see this. Only you as the instructor will see this icon. Once this icon is visible, now you're ready to go ahead to the next steps. So now that we have our Google Chrome browser in use, we have the Proctorio plugin installed, as well as installed the Secure Exam Proctor connection between Proctorio and Blackboard. Let's go ahead and now I will show you how to use Proctorio inside one of your assessments. So for this part of the demonstration, we're going to go inside Unit 1 here, inside this development shell, and I am going to find an assessment. And so here you can see where we are in edit mode, so it has on with the green light, and you need to be in edit mode in order to do this. So when you come to your assessment, you will see in edit mode, when you mouse over the assessment title, you will get a chevron. So let's go ahead and click on that chevron, and we are going to choose Edit the Test Options. So after we choose Edit Test Options, we're going to go ahead and scroll down through the options of this assessment, and they all look pretty standard until we get to the bottom. When we get to the bottom, you will see a setting for remote proctoring. We're going to check that and turn it on. And so this is the part that is very essential to this whole process. Once you turn this on, you want to make sure that you don't use any of the verification options, because using the verification options will turn on the AI. So that means, just keep it minimized where you can't even see it. But all the rest of these things you can use. You can record audio, you can record video, you can record the screen. You can actually tell them to record around the room if you want to. And you can use the lockdown options where you can force a full screen, and you can require only one screen if you want, no new tabs, disable printing. You can use all of these functions in any order that you like, as well as these up here. We just want to stay away from the verification options. Once you have done that, if you so choose, like let's say this is the setup that you want to use on all of your exams, you can simply go down to Create Profile and call it Exam 1 or Midterm, if that's something that you're going to use for your midterms, and you can click save. And so now when you go into another test, that option is going to show up, and you will be able to load that up right away. As you can see right here, save profile. So when you go into another test, instead of setting these for every single one and saving it, now you will have this, and you'll be able to click on it, and it will automatically set up your test in additional assessments that you're using Proctorio connected to. I hope that this has been helpful. If you have any further questions, please feel free to reach out to us via the information at the end of this video. Thank you so much.